In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss and Marlie Mount Primary won and decided to send Foundation Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock, we begin with Foundation Prep Bible knowledge. On what day of creation did God make the sun and the moon?
The fourth day. The fourth day.
That's correct. Marlie Mount Bible knowledge. On what day of creation did God make man?
Sixth day.
Correct. Foundation science. What is the name given to the organisms that live off their hosts?
Marsupial.
Incorrect. The answer is parasites. Marlie Mount science. Which microorganisms cause diseases such as yeasts and mold?
Fungi.
That's correct. Local affairs is a visual question. Foundation. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Dennis Chung.
Incorrect. Michael Lee Chin, NCB chairman. Local affairs, a visual question for you also, Marlie Mount. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Pamela Hopkinson.
Incorrect. Audrey Tugwell Henry, president and CEO of Scotiabank Jamaica, Scotia Group Jamaica. English language, foundation, spell knowledge.
KNOWLEDGE.
That's correct. English language, Marlie Mount, spell revelation.
REVELATION.
That's correct. Television, a visual question. Foundation, look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Dog.
Incorrect. It's Audie. Marlie Mount, television, a visual question for you also. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Spike.
Incorrect. It's Snoopy, and the prior answer was Odie. Now, to general knowledge, is Tortola located in the Grenadines or the British Virgin Islands?
Virgin Islands.
Correct. British Virgin Islands. General knowledge, Marlie Mount, is Great Abaca located in the U.S. Virgin Islands, the Bahamas, or the British Virgin Islands?
Bahamas.
That's correct. Social Studies Foundation. Which parish in Jamaica was formerly known as Ligony?
St. Andrew.
Correct. Marlie Mount, Social Studies. Ligony is the Taino word for which reptile?
Lizard.
Incorrect. Iguana is what we're looking for. Foundation. Music. It's a visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican artist.
Peter Tosh.
Incorrect. Buju Banton. Music, Marlie Mount. It's a visual question for you also. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican artist.
Beanie Man.
That's correct. Mathematics Foundation. A certain number divided by 12 gives a result of 11 and a remainder of 8. What is the number?
140.
That's correct. Marlie Mount, mathematics. A certain number divided by 9 gives a result of 13 and a remainder of 3. What is the number?
126.
Incorrect. 120. Sports, a visual question. Foundation. Look at the monitor and identify this cricketer.
Kemar Roach.
Incorrect. Darren Sammy, West Indies cricket coach. Sports, a visual question. Marlie Mount, look at the monitor and identify this cricketer.
Brian Lara.
Incorrect. Shamar Joseph, West Indies cricketer. And that is the end of section 1. The scores are Foundation Prep on 5 and Marlie Mount Primary also on 5, so it's a tie. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Pick out a comfortable and relaxing spot at home to do homework and study. Your performance will be better when you work in the right environment. A valuable tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.